Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, China is learning a hard lesson the US couldn't understand, and there's no certainty China will understand either. But first in the US, a major New York Fed update of their Consumer Expectations Survey shows inflation expectations rising and now at 3%, while earnings expectations are flat at 2% for the next 12 months. Overnight, Google suffered a major global outage for about an hour, with most of its services except search offline. The issue was internal and not a cyber attack, but it does highlight both the dependence on the tech giant and the fragility of online systems. And China is suffering soaring coal prices as imports are capped, including those from Australia. China is learning the lessons Trump never understood. Tariffs are a tax on yourself. And they are increasingly worried about the rise in iron ore prices, and there is a concerted effort to pare them back. Their trade association, their regulator and their futures market have all issued pleas for traders to be rational as speculation spikes in this market. But this may be tough, as American steel mills are on the rise, with them straining to keep up with the resurgent orders there. October data from Japan for industrial production confirms they're making a recovery, even if it is still relatively weak. It was up 4% from the prior month to be just 3% lower than the same month in 2019. In Indonesia, retail sales dropped significantly in October and are expected to drop further in November, in another sign that the nation's economic activity is losing steam. US Treasury 10-year yield will start today just under 0.90%, and the price of gold is lower today, down $14 to $1,826 an ounce. And oil prices are marginally lower today as well, now just under $46.50 a barrel in the US, while the international price is now under $50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is marginally softer at 70.8 US cents. But a few hours ago it had climbed to 71.2 before a sharp settling. Against the Australian dollar, we've had a minor softening to just under 94 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're marginally firmer at 58.3 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index has little changed at 72.7. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.